How to enable the dark mode on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the dark mode on your Brave browser in easy and fast way. So the first thing we do, we go to Brave browser, and after that, as you can see, this is the home page. Now you click on those three dots here down below, and after that you go to settings, and now go to appearance. Click on this option here, and as you can see, you will have enable night mode. You enable it and then click relaunch, and now as you can see, it's on the dark mode. Let's just try to search for something. As you can see, this is the dark mode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.